Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening and welcome to our special event. We begin tonight with breaking news from the Middle East. The conflict between Israel and Palestine has once again escalated, bring renewed violence and human tragedy to the region. In the past few days, airstrike, rocket fire, and ground operation has intensified, leaving hundreds dead and thousands injured. Reports from Gaza confirm that residential building, school, and even hospital has been hit. Entire families have been displaced and humanity agency warn that food, medicine, and clean water are running out. The United Nations described the situation as an unfolding humanitarian disaster. Meanwhile, Israel states that its military actions are aimed at defending its citizens from continuous rocket attacks launched by armed groups inside Gaza. Cities such as Tel Aviv and Ashkelon have been tragedy, sending residents running the shelters as warning sirens sounds across the country. The human cost of this conflict continues to rise. Among the dead are women and children. Are heartbreaking image emerging from both Gaza and Palestine. Parents mourn their children and children mourn their parents. The war was turned ordinary neighborhood into battlefield. International reaction has been swift. The United Nations Security Council has called for an immediate ceasefire, while humanitarian organizations are safe passage for aid convoys. World leaders from Washington to Brussels have condemned the violence and urged both sides to return to dialogue. Yet, despite these calls, the fighting shows no signs of stopping. Analysts say this is one of the most dangerous escalation in recent years. The roots of the conflict go back decades, tied to disputes over land, sovereignty, and identity. Despite numerous peace talks and arguments, a lasting solution remains out of reach. On the ground, the reality is grim. In Gaza, doctors operate with enough medical supplies. Power outages leave all hospital in darkness. Families search through rubble for missing relatives in Israel. Families spend night in bomb shelter. children to fright, frighten, to sleep, fear loss, and uncertainty dominant every life. As the conflict continues, question remain: how long will the violence last? What role will the international community play? And most important, when will peace finally come to this troubled land? For now, the world watch, hoping for an end to the bloodshed and a return to nego, nego, negotiational. But tonight the sounds of war are louder than the calls of peace. This has been a special report on the conflict between Israel and Palestine. We will continue to bring you the latest update as the situation develops. I'm Ananda Aufa Jonas Satir reporting from Breaking News. Stay with us for more updates. Over the past week, heavy fighting has erupted, resulting in widespread destruction, rising casualties, and growing international concerns. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you for your nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.